Welcome to this video guys. Let's see how we can check the battery health of a laptop on Windows 10 or Windows 11. This can be particularly helpful if you're buying a second-hand laptop to check your battery status. So let's get started. First, press your Windows key and type CMD and click on command prompt. Once the command prompt opens, just enter this command: power cfg slash battery report. Now this will take a few seconds and generate a battery report, and it will give you a path of where the report is saved. So copy this path, leave this full stop at the end, just right click to copy it and paste it in your browser, hit enter, and as you can see the battery report is generated. Now here, as you can see, the full capacity is 75,000 megawatt hours, but the current capacity at full charge is only this. So battery is degraded a little bit, but since this laptop is been in operation for like 2 or 3 years, this is quite normal. Now to check out the current full capacity, scroll down to the bottom, and here as you can see it says current estimate of battery life based on all observations since OS install. So right now my laptop lasts for around 6 hours and 57 minutes on full charge. So this means that if I full charge my laptop, and it also keeps in mind the standby charge. So if my laptop is turned on and I'm just not using it, it'll still last around 7 hours. So yeah, this is the current estimate, and this is helpful if you're trying to buy a new or a second-hand laptop. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below.